This is Chris. I'm responding to a video. Potter Puppet Pals and the Mystery Ticking Noise. Mysterious ticking noise. Well, I will let you know this coming Christmas, we only got 4 months to Christmas of 2009. And I'm going to tell you why this Christmas is going to be so much better. There's going to be more presents and more. Did you know Harry Potter is one of Santa Claus's elves? He is. He is a Christmas elf. See, he was like, hey, take out this! Make sure every kid get what they want for Christmas! And it don't matter if they've been bad or good! See, Harry Potter is so cool, he done away with the naughty and nice list. Now it don't matter if you've been naughty or nice, bad or good. It don't matter if you can't go to sleep on Christmas Eve night. Harry Potter the Christmas elf is going to bring you everything you want for Christmas. Name it. It's a big Christmas list. Well, matter of fact, I'm an elf too. Here's what I want for Christmas. I want a 55-inch LCD wall screen TV. It's it. And it's TV hanging on the wall. And I want an Apple computer. And everything else on it. Man, it is. I can't think of everything else. Oh, the Christmas present is so unlimited. Here's another thing. I want a high definition camcorder. Okay, here's what I want from Harry Potter the Christmas elf. Yeah, a flat screen, a 55-inch LCD flat screen TV that you hang on the wall. PlayStation 3. And I want an Apple computer. I want a high definition camcorder. Yeah. See, you know, Santa Claus, he's done retired. He retired last year, I think. Now, Santa Claus has left it up to his head elf, Harry Potter. You know, I'm letting you know, Harry Potter is one of Santa Claus's elves. He's the head elf. Now, since it's all been left up to him, think of all of it. Here's the song goes, he's making all this, taking up this, he's making sure every kid get what they want for Christmas. You better not pout. You better not pout. You better not cry. I'll tell you what, Harry Potter's coming to town. And it don't matter if you've been bad or good. Well, it don't matter if you've been bad or good. And it don't matter if you can't go to sleep on Christmas Eve night because you're so excited with getting all those presents. Man, it's going to be a home. I mean, there's so many Christmas presents in your living room, you won't be able to walk into your living room. It'll take you a whole entire year to open up. It'd be like, I say, thousands and thousands of Christmas presents. This is going to be the best Christmas yet. This is going to be, thank goodness Santa Claus just decided to retire and leave it all up to his head elf Harry Potter. Now you can just wait on Harry Potter and all of Santa Claus's elves to bring you a whole bunch of presents. Just present after present. It'll take you all entire year to open open every single present because it'd be thousands and thousands big presents. But this big is so many of them, you won't be able to walk into your living room. Your Christmas tree will be buried in presents. Ain't that great, kids? See, when I was a little kid, I had to be so good for Santa. I couldn't be bad. Yeah, Santa Claus would skip my house. Man, when I was a kid, I was trying to go to sleep one night on Christmas Eve night. Man, I couldn't go to sleep because I was so excited to get presents. So, well, I was quite nervous because I was afraid Santa Claus would skip my house because I couldn't go to sleep. Now I don't have to worry about that because Harry Potter the Christmas elf is in charge. Now, kids, look forward to the best Christmas of this century. Harry Potter is going to become the new Santa Claus of the 21st century. No need to be good, no need to go to sleep. If you want to, you stay up all night, wait on Harry Potter and all of Santa Claus's elves to bring you a whole bunch of Christmas presents. The best Christmas yet. Now, if you can't wait, that's no problem. Here, you get your presents early, then again on Christmas Eve night, then again on New Year's Eve night. 3 times. 3 times, maybe about 3,000 presents. Oh, I got you later. Please visit my videos. You get a kick out of them. I'm an elf. Also visit Harry Potter the Christmas Elf. Just type in Harry Potter the Christmas Elf in the YouTube search box. And it'll pull up another video. Love you.